Have you ever been driving at 60 or 70 miles per hour when suddenly your steering wheel starts shaking, the seat begins vibrating, or your entire car feels like it's about to rattle apart? You are definitely not alone. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, tire-related problems contribute to over 11,000 crashes every year in the United States, and many of those issues start with vibrations that drivers ignore. The good news is that most high-speed vibrations aren't caused by major engine failures. They are usually linked to your tires, wheels, or suspension. In this video, we are breaking down the 5 most common causes of high-speed car vibration and the exact step-by-step methods to fix them. Let's dive in. Method number 1. Balance your wheels. One of the most common causes of vibration at highway speeds is unbalanced wheels. In fact, many tire shops report that more than half of highway vibration complaints are solved with a simple wheel balancing service. Even a missing wheel weight, weighing just 10 to 15 grams, can throw the entire wheel off balance once it spins nearly 900 times per minute at highway speed. That's why your steering wheel may shake only at certain speeds, but feel perfectly smooth around town. Professional mechanics use a computerized balancing machine that pinpoints exactly where new weights should be installed for perfect rotation. If you have recently hit a pothole or curb, then it's very possible one of those balancing weights has fallen off. Balancing all 4 wheels usually takes less than an hour and is far cheaper than replacing tires or suspension parts. To prevent future vibrations, have your wheels balanced every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, especially whenever you install new tires or notice unusual shaking. Method number 2. Inspect your tires for uneven wear or damage. Your tires may look perfectly fine from the outside, but hidden damage can easily cause serious vibrations at highway speeds. According to tire industry studies, underinflated or improperly maintained tires wear up to 25% faster, that increase the chances of vibration and blowouts. Look closely for uneven tread wear, sidewall bulges, cracks, flat spots, or a separated steel belt inside the tire. A quick mechanic's trick is to slowly run your hand across the tread. If it feels smooth one way and rough the other, your tire is wearing unevenly. This usually points to alignment or suspension problems. Also check your tire pressure, because driving just 5 pounds per square inch below the recommended pressure can increase heat buildup and accelerate uneven wear. If a tire has belt separation or a sidewall bulge, then don't try to repair it. Replace it immediately, because these problems can become dangerous at highway speeds. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles is one of the easiest ways to prevent vibration before it starts. Method number 3. Get a professional wheel alignment. If your vehicle pulls to one side and vibrates at higher speeds, then poor wheel alignment could be the hidden culprit. Studies show that improper alignment can reduce tire life by up to 30%, while also lowering fuel economy because your tires are constantly fighting against each other. Hitting a pothole, curb, or speed bump at high speed is often enough to knock your alignment out of specification. As the tires scrub across the road instead of rolling straight, then they begin wearing unevenly, which eventually creates vibration. Professional alignment machines measure your vehicle's camber, caster, and toe angles with incredible precision and adjust them back to factory specifications. After a proper alignment, you will usually notice smoother steering, improved stability, better fuel economy, and much longer tire life. Most mechanics recommend checking wheel alignment once a year or immediately after replacing suspension components or hitting a major pothole. It's a relatively inexpensive service that can save you hundreds of dollars in premature tire replacement. Method number 4. Replace worn suspension and steering components. If your wheels are balanced and your brakes are clean, but the car feels floaty, loose, or shakes over subtle bumps at speed, Then it's time for refreshing worn suspension components. Your suspension system is not just there for a comfortable ride. It is responsible for keeping all 4 tires firmly planted on the road. According to automotive service experts, worn suspension components are one of the leading causes of uneven tire wear and highway instability, especially on vehicles with over 100,000 miles. Parts like ball joints, control arm bushings, tie rods, shocks, and struts naturally wear out over time. Once they become loose, your wheels begin moving in directions they shouldn't and start creating vibrations that become much more noticeable at higher speeds. You may also hear clunking noises over bumps, notice loose steering, or see your vehicle bouncing excessively after hitting a pothole. To text you suspension and steering system at home, follow these steps. Step 1. Jack up the front end so the tire is off the ground. Step 2. Grab the tire at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock and wiggle it side to side. Excessive play usually means worn tie rod ends. Step 3. Grab the tire at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock and rock it. Play here usually indicates a bad ball joint or wheel bearing. Replacing worn suspension parts restores proper wheel control, improves handling, extends tire life, and often eliminates vibrations that balancing alone can never fix. Method number 5. Inspect CV axles. For front-wheel drive vehicles, worn CV axles are another common source of vibration, especially during acceleration at highway speeds. Constant velocity joints allow the front wheels to receive power while turning and moving up and down with the suspension. Their protective rubber boots hold grease inside and keep dirt and water out. But once a boot tears, the grease escapes and contamination quickly destroys the joint. Many technicians report that a torn CV boot left unrepaired can ruin the axle in just a few thousand miles. Besides vibration, you may also hear clicking noises while making sharp turns, or notice grease splattered around the inside of the wheel. To fix it, follow these steps. Step 1. Slide under the car and inspect the rubber CV boots for tears or slung grease. Step 2. Grab the axle shaft and try to twist or shake it. There should be virtually no clunking or axial play. Step 3. If a joint is binding or loose, then replace the complete axle assembly or U-joint. That's all for this video. Don't let a small vibration sit. Fixing a $20 wheel balance today saves you from replacing a $300 tire or $1,000 suspension system tomorrow.